One question was how to select a URL from the page and navigate to it. And you can achieve that using variables. So here on this example page, I have a list of URLs and I want to select the topmost of them and navigate to it. So let's add a variable step which can achieve that. So click variable from left side, click select element, select the topmost URL from the page we are testing, youtube.com. Click that. Let's give the variable a better name called URL. We can also, now it's saved in URL variable, so we can do whatever here, and it will be saved. So for example, we can record a step that goes to google.com. And finally, let's use the URL variable to navigate to YouTube by adding a new JavaScript step. And you can access the URL variables and any variables during the globals namespace. So let's set window.location equals globals.url, which will change the current URL to whatever is in that variable. We need to call callback true as always in JavaScript steps. And that's it. Let's run the trace and see if it works. Seems to work. We are in YouTube. Thank you.